Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2021 Honda CR-V. I'm going to show you guys real fast how to change your air filter. I already did it, so when I pull this air filter out, you're going to be like, what the hell, it's already clean. I just want to show you guys how to do it. So you save yourself some money, that is. Look for a link in the description below to purchase a air filter, and I'll also have a video on the cabin air filter. So check out the video library too. Like, subscribe, and share while you're watching, please. Now let's get going to do this. It's only going to take you about 5 minutes if you have everything and after you watch this video. And you barely need any tools at all. So I'll show you how to do everything and what you need. Like, subscribe, share while you're watching. Here we go. 2021 Honda CR-V. Obviously, there's going to be more CR-Vs a year range that this would be good for. But this is really easy. All you have, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the 4 screws that you're going to remove to get this air filter out. Also, if you've been watching my channel a lot, this is your mass airflow sensor. I love cleaning mass airflow sensors to keep the efficiency out of your vehicle. So mass airflow sensor location right here if you're going to take it out and clean it. But this is just going to be for your air filter. You could use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 8mm socket like I'm going to use in this video. But either one works. You can see the screwdriver works. I just don't like using the screwdriver because they strip out pretty easy. They're pretty soft screws for some reason. And I'll do this with one hand. Whoa, missed it. Lift up on it. Did I get them all the way out? I didn't get the back one all the way out. Make sure you get the screws all the way out. Hey guys, a word from the sponsor today, ExpressVPN.com. If you guys are not using ExpressVPN, you're missing out. ExpressVPN keeps your connection private and secure on all your devices, phone, laptop, and your smart TV, so hackers, trackers, and internet providers can't snoop on what you're doing. Plus, it lets you change the region to watch shows on movies on Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus that aren't available in your country. I've been using it for years. It's fast, safe, and super easy. Hit the link in the description below, or go to expressvpn.com/Scotties Hobbies to get the deal that I've worked out for you guys. Save money and protect yourself while online with ExpressVPN, the same one I trust every day. When you pull up, make sure you don't put too much pressure on the wire that's going to your mass airflow sensor. And there is your air filter. And will I be able to do it with one hand? That's how easy it is, one-handed. Look at that. So you get, like I said, this is a clean cabin air filter. Just did it. Just want to show you guys how to save some money. If you have some extra time or if it's really bad, check inside there. If you have a ton of leaves or anything, get a vacuum and clean that out before you put your new cabin air filter, or sorry, your new engine air filter in. Really easy. The flat side right here goes towards the flow of, or directional flow of the air. And I might need 2 hands to do it. Hold that real fast. When you start the screws, make sure you start them by hand. Don't ever start them with a power tool. Or if you do, just make sure you know what you're feeling for so you don't over tighten them. Or strip them out, I mean. When you are tightening them up, you're just going to go snug tight. That little click was actually probably a little bit too much. And that was too much. Now that's it. Air filter's in. What was that? This is a 3-minute video. And I've been talking most of it. So it would have been a minute and a half for you to do that if you had the right tools. So the right tools are a Phillips head screwdriver or 8mm on a socket wrench, and you're done. That's it. When you order these air filters, get a couple of them just so you have them in stock or around so you're not thinking, oh, I have a bad air filter and not having one. Save some money, buy them on Amazon. Link in the description below. Change about every 25, 30,000 miles. Check out the video library. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.